Welcome to the latest update from the Iraqi Dinar Today Latest News, where we bring you the most current and relevant information regarding the global currency landscape as we move into 2026. Today, we are turning our focus toward a topic that has recently surged back into the conversation for many market observers, the Vietnamese Dong. While many of you have spent years tracking the developments in Iraq, there is a growing consensus that the Dong is demanding a fresh look due to a series of significant economic shifts occurring right now in Southeast Asia. It has been quite some time since this currency held such a prominent position in mainstream financial discussions, and understanding the reasons behind this sudden resurgence is essential for anyone following global markets. For a long period, the Vietnamese Dong was often described as being in a state of quite undervalued stability. Even as the nation of Vietnam experienced rapid industrialization and consistent growth in its gross domestic product, the currency itself seemed to remain largely static, not fully reflecting the underlying strength of the economy. This disconnect between a booming production sector and a relatively dormant currency value is exactly why the 2026 landscape feels so different. We are currently witnessing the results of years of behind-the-scenes preparation by the Vietnamese government and its central bank, which are now beginning to manifest in ways that are catching the eyes of international analysts and institutional observers. The primary driver behind this renewed spotlight is the sheer scale of Vietnam's economic performance as we enter this year. The country has successfully transitioned into a major global manufacturing hub, attracting massive amounts of foreign direct investment from some of the world's largest technology and industrial firms. This influx of capital is not just a temporary trend, it represents a fundamental shift in global supply chains, as more companies move their operations to Vietnam to take advantage of a skilled labor force and improved infrastructure. The demand for the domestic currency naturally begins to face new pressures that were not present in previous years. In addition to private sector growth, the Vietnamese government has been incredibly strategic with its internal reforms. In 2026, we are seeing the fruition of policies aimed at enhancing the transparency and reliability of the nation's financial systems. These moves are designed to build long-term confidence among global trade partners and investors. When a central bank demonstrates a commitment to managing inflation and maintaining a stable fiscal environment, it sends a clear signal to the world that the currency is backed by a serious and maturing economy. This sense of institutional discipline is a major reason why the Dong is no longer being ignored by the broader financial community. It is important to address the numbers and the tangible potential that analysts are currently discussing. While there is often a lot of excitement and noise in the currency world, the current interest in the Dong is rooted in hard data. We are seeing trends that suggest the potential for appreciation based on economic fundamentals rather than mere speculation. This distinction is vital because it moves the conversation away from high-risk hype and toward a more sober analysis of trade balances, export numbers, and foreign exchange reserves. For those who have watched this market for years, the alignment of these factors in 2026 marks a significant departure from the past. Confidence is perhaps the most critical element in any currency's value, and right now, the Vietnamese Dong is earning that confidence on the international stage. It is not just about the single economic report or a lone government announcement, it is about the aggregate effect of consistent, positive performance over several quarters. This growing trust allows international banks and hedge funds to view the Dong as a more viable component of their regional strategies. As this institutional interest grows, it creates a ripple effect that brings even more attention to the currency's future path and its role in the Southeast Asian economy. However, even with all this positive momentum, it is crucial to maintain a grounded perspective on how these changes actually happen. Significant shifts in currency value rarely occur in an instant. This is a process driven by complex international relations, trade agreements, and macroeconomic cycles. Those who are looking at the Dong in 2026 should understand that we are observing a steady evolution rather than a sudden event. The spotlight is on the currency because the groundwork for growth has been laid so thoroughly that the market is finally beginning to price in the reality of Vietnam's economic stature. One of the standout factors in this 2026 update is the role of technology and manufacturing exports. Vietnam has moved beyond basic assembly and is now a key player in the production of high-value electronics and green energy components. This shift toward high-tech exports is significant because it generates more sustainable and higher-quality revenue for the country. A currency supported by a high-tech export economy is generally viewed as having a much stronger foundation than one dependent on volatile raw materials. This structural change in what Vietnam produces for the world is a pillar of the current Dong narrative. The actions of the State Bank of Vietnam also deserve a closer look. Throughout this year, they have been proactive in managing the currency's stability through subtle but effective tools. By carefully balancing interest rates and managing the supply of the dong, they have sought to create an environment where the currency can reflect the country's growth without experiencing destabilizing volatility. This managed approach is intended to provide a predictable environment for businesses, which in turn encourages even more long-term investment. It is a cycle of stability and growth that is currently working in the currency's favor. Global market conditions are also playing a major role in why the dong is back in the news. As investors look for alternatives to traditional markets that may be reaching saturation, emerging economies with strong manufacturing bases become highly attractive. Vietnam fits this description perfectly in 2026. The shift in global attention toward the ASEAN region has placed Vietnam at the center of many new trade corridors. When a country becomes a vital link in the global economy, its currency inevitably becomes a focal point for those looking to understand the next phase of international trade. For those who hold or monitor the Vietnamese Dong, the emphasis in 2026 is on education and patience. The current landscape is filled with real structural reasons for optimism, but navigating this requires a clear understanding of the broader economic picture. It is about recognizing the signs of a maturing market and being able to distinguish between factual developments and rumors that often circulate in the world of currency trading. Staying focused on official government data and verified economic indicators is the best way to keep a clear head as the dong continues to gain international traction. We must also consider the potential risks that come with any emerging market currency. While the outlook is currently very positive, global events can always introduce unexpected variables. Shifts in international trade policy or broader regional economic changes can influence the dong's trajectory. This is why a neutral and factual approach to the news is so important. By understanding the risks as well as the opportunities, one can develop a more comprehensive view of the market. Patience remains a key theme, as the realization of economic potential often takes longer than the headlines might suggest. The story behind the numbers is what truly defines the Vietnamese Dong in 2026. It is a story of a nation that has consistently worked to upgrade its industrial capacity and financial standing. When you look at the currency today, you are seeing the reflection of millions of workers, thousands of new factories, and a government that is focused on long-term sustainability. This narrative is what is driving the renewed interest from global financial centers. Investors are not just looking at a price point, they are looking at the health and vitality of the nation that the currency represents. As the year progresses, we expect to see even more clarity regarding the dong's position. The ongoing reforms in the Vietnamese banking sector are particularly noteworthy, as they aim to align domestic practices with international standards. This alignment makes it easier for foreign capital to flow into the country and for the currency to be used more widely in regional trade. Every step toward international integration is a step toward a more prominent role for the dong in the global financial system. This is a primary reason why we are tracking these updates so closely for you. For our community, the best strategy is to remain observant and well-informed. The 2026 update for the Vietnamese Dong highlights the importance of staying updated on a regular basis. By watching how these economic factors interact over the coming months, you will be better positioned to understand the true value of the information being shared. It is an exciting time for the Southeast Asian markets, and Vietnam is clearly leading the way in terms of growth and potential. The spotlight is deserved, and the factors driving it are as real as the products coming off Vietnam's assembly lines. Reflecting on the comparison with other regional currencies, The dong stands out because of its unique starting point of being undervalued for so long. This creates a different kind of opportunity for the market to adjust as the true economic output of Vietnam is recognized. Unlike currencies that may have already reached their peak, the dong is viewed by many as having a significant path of adjustment ahead of it. This perception of room to grow is a powerful motivator for the renewed interest we are seeing in 2026 from both retail and institutional observers. Practical steps for those following this news involve a consistent review of Vietnamese economic reports and central bank bulletins, monitoring the progress of major infrastructure projects and the signing of new international trade deals can provide valuable context for where the currency might be headed. Understanding the mechanics of how the currency is traded and held is also an important part of being a well-rounded observer. Knowledge is the most valuable tool in any market, and the current situation in Vietnam provides plenty of opportunities to expand that knowledge. Mindset is the final piece of the puzzle. Approaching the 2026 Dong update with a focus on long-term trends rather than short-term fluctuations will lead to a much deeper understanding of the market. The excitement is understandable, but it must be balanced with the reality that economic cycles take time to play out. By staying grounded in the facts and avoiding the emotional highs and lows of the rumor mill, you can maintain a clear and strategic view of the Vietnamese dong as it navigates its new position in the global spotlight. In summary, the Vietnamese dong is back in the news because the fundamentals of the Vietnamese economy have reached a level that can no longer be overlooked. Between government reforms, massive foreign investment, and a strategic position in the global supply chain, the currency is reflecting a country on the rise. We are here to keep you updated on every major development, ensuring you have the information you need to stay ahead of the curve. 2026 is shaping up to be a landmark year for the dong, and we will continue to monitor the situation with a focus on accuracy and neutrality. The emergence of the dong as a significant player in 2026 is a testament to the power of steady economic development. As we continue to provide these updates, remember that the most successful observers are those who combine information with insight and patience. The world of currency is always changing, and we are dedicated to bringing you the stories that matter most. Thank you for tuning into this deep dive into the Vietnamese dong, and we look forward to bringing you more updates as the situation evolves.